All right, welcome back, everybody. International NGO Africa Tikkun is proud to announce the launch of the Like Change campaign. Like Change is a social media initiative which will, for the very first time, mobilize the country, celebrities, civil society, and corporate South Africa to bring much-needed change in the lives of the children who need it most. Africa Tikkun works towards a future where today's children and youth are tomorrow's productive citizens. Well, we're now joined in studio by the CEO of Africa Tikkun, Mark Lubner. Mark, it's so good to have you. Welcome to Morning Live.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me on the show.
It's almost as if where there's a charity, there's Mark. You were telling me, we were chatting not so long ago about the Smile Foundation, and here we are talking about Africa Tikkun. Tell me more about it. I mean, I've given a brief understanding of what it's about, but obviously from your mouth.
Sure. Africa Tikkun is an organization that was started 20 years ago by my father and the late Chief Rabbi Harris. And its intent was to help underprivileged communities post-apartheid to deal with the lack of resources in those township communities. And it has grown over the years to the point where we realize kids actually have to get into jobs if they're truly to break the cycle of poverty. But in many instances, our contention is that a lot of children are in jobs, youth are in jobs, that either they're not productive in, or they simply can't get jobs. So our organization is focused around developing children from a very early age, actually from infancy, all the way through successive steps to the point where they're actually able to enter into the workforce. And we do that by engaging with local communities, employing local communities, and working with local communities as our partners. Yeah. Literally taking kids from early childhood development through youth development into job readiness training, and then working with the corporate sector to place kids in jobs.
All right, let's look at possibly the biggest problem facing South Africa. What would you say from having a look at this organization?
In truth, from the perspective in which we operate, we believe that the problem isn't necessarily a lack of cash. Corporate South Africa spends close on 7 billion rand a year on CSI initiatives, never mind what government is spending. The problem is with the 75,000 registered non-for-profits, we're not working in a cohesive manner together, systematically developing children across a broad framework with an end goal of breaking the cycle of poverty.
Okay. Solutions? I mean, how is your organization, for instance, part of the solution?
Well, yeah, you know what we believe? I don't think our egos are that big that we believe we can change things that materially. You know, we're working 18,000 odd beneficiaries, but 18,000 is a drop in the ocean. The reality is that there's a model that we've proved works. By working in partnership with other NGOs and by developing children through what we call our holistic cradle-to-career approach, we believe and we hope that other South African organizations, funding organizations, government departments will look at this as the holistic approach towards dealing with this issue of youth unemployment.
Yeah, indeed. I mean, what difference would you like to see in the lives of South African youth and the children of South Africa?
You know, the greatest asset, one of the greatest assets that I've personally experienced is the energy and the enthusiasm of youth in townships.
Yeah.
There's a give us an opportunity rather than necessarily just give us a handout type attitude. And it's fascinating. It's intoxicating.
Yeah.
So in answer to your question, I think what we would really like to see would be more thought going into the end game rather than necessarily into just what is being done today because it feels good. We've got to get past that. You know, we South Africans are incredibly driven to support others. It's part of our legacy, and it differentiates us globally. Now let's capitalize on that asset by making South Africans think about putting together these energies and efforts and supporting organizations like Africa Tikkun to achieve an end game, which is kids out of poverty.
All right, so we want to support you. I know there's a Facebook page, there's websites and lots of programs. So just very briefly tell me about all of this.
Well, the idea of Like Change, very quickly, if I may, is it's an initiative that says, let's do something positive. We're so busy talking negatively. No disrespect meant to the media, but there's always so many negatives that are presented. Yet they're fantastic good news stories.
Oh, yes.
And again, there's this asset of South Africans across all spectrums who want to see change. They want to see positive change. So we created an initiative called Like Change together with an organization, Poppy Media, who came up with this concept of let's get South Africans to do something, a call to action. So if you go to our Facebook page or go to the website and just simply press a button called Like Change, it releases funds that have been pledged by donors. Over 10 million rand has been pledged by corporate donors, locally and internationally, towards bringing about this change. So you as a South African pressing Like Change will know that what you've done is you've released funds into an organization that is using those monies to help children in this holistic program. And then we report back.
Fantastic.
By giving us your email details, even though you haven't necessarily contributed any cash yourself now, the intent is that we will report back to you to show you what is being done. And so South Africans across all spectrums, celebrities, lay people, individuals as simple and as naive as myself, will have the opportunity to feel that we're part of a movement of South Africans doing something that's good.
Okay. Love it. Africa Toucan. So the website address is www.africa with a K, and then Toucan is TIKKUN.org. So africatoucan.org. Just go there. There's a big banner that says Like Change. You click on it and it'll tell you what to do. And then, of course, there is a Facebook page as well. If you go to the website, it'll lead you to the Facebook page, or just search Africa Toucan on Facebook. You'll find it. Mark, good luck.
Thanks. If I may, just on Facebook, it's likechange.africa Toucan,
okay,
with a K, AFRIKKATIKKUN.org.
Great.
So thanks so much for having me.
Absolute pleasure. Good luck with it.
Thank you.
Keep us updated as to how it's going.
Great. Appreciate it.
All right. Let's get you some sport.